Hey everyone, welcome to InfoComm 2026. My name is Jeremy Pellegrini. I'm the sales manager for live production here at Riedel. Today we're showcasing our software-defined live production system called SimplyLive. So what that is it's a touchscreen-based switching application and replay application that combines a full production under one server. So everything is touchscreen-based. Red sends it to program, green sends it to preview. You have your NDI graphics via third party, and you can have macros. You can also have external replay operators, which we have over here. You can use a remote control, or we can all do touchscreen based. What's great about the touchscreen is that when you scroll and you scrub your channels, it scrubs all 6 channels at the same time, allowing for a more efficient workflow in the replay space. When you combine all this together, you get our production suite, allowing you to create great content for more of an affordable price for a lot of shows out there. So stop by if you want to learn more, or look at our website, Riedel.com, for more information.